Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking in the background, that's Pixlr, and I'm running in my Chrome browser. I enjoy Pixlr a ton, but I got a new toy to show you, so let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, you are looking at my new Cintiq 24 HD drawing tablet. Friends, this thing is so slick. Right now I'm in Chrome, and I'm using Pixlr, which is my favorite free editor. I'm going to choose Create New, Full HD, and tap to bring it in. I'm not going to kid you, I'm still learning. I am going to, on this new space, try and draw, and it's only okay. It just doesn't quite respond the way I wanted. So I fought with Chrome for a while, and then, friends, I switched to Opera. As you can see, I've got a browser link to take me there immediately. I am going to start from home, and I'm going to choose a new image. When I hit Create New, friends, I'm going to do HD and Create. I want to bring in a new image, so I'm going to tap this, and I'm going to go from stock. Let's bring in these cute little flowers, and we're going to add current. When they come in, notice they don't quite fit. I am going to change my zoom, and then I can find the handle, and it lets you shrink, adjust, and get it right the way you really wanted it. So this tablet makes it just so powerful as you work with these images. There we go. So now I want to trace this just for fun, just to show you how cool this is. So I'm going to hit plus, and I'm going to do an empty image, or an empty layer up above. I'm on the empty layer. I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to hit the plus a few times, and I just want to trace the jar. I'm going to come over here to my drawing tools. I'm going to use a white pen, and I'm going to go all the way down to size 4 or 4-ish. 7 it'll be. It's set for white, and you can see I can instantly trace, undo if I don't like it, come back and redo it. You can put pressure on this because this does not have touch. You could buy one with touch, but I kind of like that this is separate. I'm not going to be perfect because I'm in a hurry, but I just want to show you how sweet this can be for creating awesome projects. Cut out the inside of that handle, and then I'm going to create another empty layer. And I'm going to actually pull this layer beneath it. And now, just for fun, I'm going to go back to paint. I'm going to pick a lovely pink, make it a little bit transparent or purple, and then I'm going to paint this in. Now I want my brush to be larger, so I just bring that in, and I can almost make it look like it was in a purple jar. It's that easy to paint. And this did not work with the Chrome browser, but it works like a champ with Opera. So friends, I've still got a ton to learn, but I just wanted to share. I'm going to dial this pen down just a little bit, see if I can get inside here, how cool the Opera browser is. And then watch this, I don't like that line. So I'm going to go back up here, switch to my eraser, and let's erase the lines to match my coloring skills, which is really kind of funny. Do need to go back to that same size pen. You could type the pen if you wanted, but I got there just by luck. 7/8, that'll be the same thing. I do want the transparency to go back to 100 as I connect those lines. Now I accidentally went down here and I brought up my tablet. That's down on the bottom. But friends, I just wanted you to see how sweet the Opera browser was with the Cintiq HD 24. And when I click in here, it brings up my little typing board, and I'm going to call this test and hit download just like that. So my friends, this was short and sweet, but I am so digging my new tablet combined with the Opera browser and Pixlr-x. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, Add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.